Everyone, today we are going to see about numerical solution of ordinary differential equations by a finite difference method. So first we need to know the formula of yi dash can be written as yi plus 1 minus yi minus 1 divided by 2h, and yi double dash can be written as yi minus 1 plus yi plus 1 minus 2yi divided by h square. And h can be, how to find h means b minus a. B is interval upper limit minus lower limit divided by n. N can be written as b minus a divided by h. So our problem is using the finite decimal method, solve for y given the differential equation. The given differential equation is d square y by dx square plus y plus 1 equal to 0, x belongs to 0 comma 1, and the boundary conditions, or the boundary conditions, x belongs to up to 0 comma 1, and y of 0 equal to y of 0 equal to 0 and y of 1 equal to 0, taking the limit h equal to 1 by 2 and h equal to 1 by 4. So now we are moving to solution. The given is the solution dx square divided by d square y divided by dx square can be written as y double dash. So for dy divided by dx can be written as y dash, and d square y divided by dx square can be written as y double dash. So y double dash plus y plus 1 equal to 0, and the given is, from the question we know that y of 0 is 0 and y of 1 is 0, and here x naught is 0. This can be in the form of y of x naught equal to y naught. That means x naught equal to 0, y naught equal to 0, and y of x1 equal to y1. Here x1 is 1 and y1 is 0. So first equation will become as, we know the form, y double dash can be written as yi plus 1 plus yi minus 1 minus 2yi divided by h square. So yi minus 1 plus yi plus 1 minus 2yi divided by h square, plus this can be written as yi plus I as it is. And if we simplify means we get the terms of h square and h square divided by h square. So if we take a common terms of yi plus 1 as it is here, and yi is common means we get this terms yi, and this also h square minus 2yi and plus yi minus 1 plus h square equal to 0, taken as a second equation. Then now the term case 1, what is our case 1 is h equal to 1 by 2, h equal to 1 by 4. So h equal to 1 by 2 means we have to find the interval. So n equal to b minus a divided by h. Then 1 b minus a means nothing but the boundary points of 0 comma 1. So here 1 minus 0, here x belongs to 0 comma 1, and this is a, this is b, that is b is 1 minus 0 divided by h is 1 by 2. So n equal to 2. So substitute h equal to 1 by 2 and I equal to 1 in the second equation. In this equation means we get yi plus 1 and plus y 1 by 2 square minus 2 power square minus 2 y1 plus y I minus 1. That means 1 minus 1. Instead of I we have to put 1, instead of h we have to put 1 by 2, and if we solve means we get the form of y2 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 y1 plus y naught 1 plus 1 by 4. So this y naught this y2 we know that here the y2 is 0 and here is y naught. So these terms are getting 0 and 1 by 4 minus 2, here 1 by 4. Here if we simplify means we get the values of minus 7 by 4 y1 plus 0 plus 1 by 4 equal to 0, and minus 7 by 4 y1 equal to minus 1 by 4, and y1 value is 1 by 7. So now the values of x is up to 0 to 1. So the interval is 2, so it contains 2 interval. If we split the h value as 1 by 2 means we get the 2 forms. So 0 to how means 0 to 1, so we have to split the interval, that is half. So here 0 and x value 0, y value also 0 given in the question, because y of 0 equal to 0 and y of 1 is also 0. So I put 0 values, and if x is 1 by 2, what is the y value is y is 1 by 7. So next we have to move on to case 2, there h is equal to 1 by 4, and now put n equal to 1 minus 0 divided by 1 by 4, n equal to 4. It contains 4 interval x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, and 0, and here also 1 up to 0 to 1. Here the splitted values of h is 1 by 4, so 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, and 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1. So we have to split these intervals and we have to find this. Here x0, here x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 values are given, and we have to find the y values, and substitute h equal to 1 by 4 and I equal to 1 in the second equation, means we get instead of that we have to get these values. Here y2 plus 1 by 16 minus 2 y1 plus y0 plus 1 by 16 equal to 0, and y2, this if we simplify means we get minus 31 by 16 y1 plus y0 equal to minus 1 by 16. This is written in the form of 16 y2 minus 31 y1 equal to y0 is goes to 0. Y0 value we know that 0, that is minus 1. So consider this as a third equation and substitute h equal to 1 by 4 in I equal to 2. How many intervals we have to find? We have to find the 4 intervals up to 4. So instead of 3 values, we have to find that I equal to 3. How to find how many intervals? The intervals less than 1 value is if it contains 4 interval, the interval less than 1 value is 3. So we have to find the values of I equal to 3 up to intervals less than 1. So intervals interval value minus 1. So if it is a 4 interval, we have to find I equal to 3 up to I equal to 3. So y3 equal to 1 by 16 minus 2 y2 plus y1 plus 1 by 16. Where we find this equation means we have to substitute here I equal to 1, I equal to 2 and h equal to 1 by 4. So instead of that we substitute means we get the values of this, and if we simplify means we get 16 y3 minus 31 y2 plus 16 y1 equal to minus 1, and h equal to 1 by 4 we get means we get the values of minus 31 y3 plus 16 y2 equal to minus 1. From these consider this as a third equation, and fourth equation, fifth equation. From the third equation we get that minus 31 y1 equal to minus 1 minus 16 y2. From this we have to find the y1 value is minus 1 minus 16 by y2, y2 divided by minus 31, and from this we get the value of y3, and substitute the values of 6 and 7 in the fourth equation, because we are changing the equation y3 and y2 as in the form of y1. So if we change means we get the form like this, and consider these two values are as it is same, so we can add. So 32 into that value minus 31 y1 y2 equal to minus 1. 32 divided by if we multiply and divide means we get this minus the values are getting cancelled, so 32 divided by 31 plus this minus getting cancelled. 32 into 16 divided by 31 y2 minus 31. So we have to equate the denominator, so multiply and divided by 31. So here we get 31 into 31 divided by 31 y2 equal to minus 31 equal to minus 1. So if we are moving, this is value is minus 1, and if we are taking the denominator on this side means we get 32 plus 32 into 16 is 512 y2 minus 961 y2 equal to minus 31. So if we are simplify this means we get as the value of y2 minus 449 y2 equal to minus 63 y2 values minus 63 divided by minus 449 equal to 0.14031, and if we substitute the values of y2 in this equations, sixth equation means we get the y1 value. So we substitute the values of y2 in seventh equation means we get y3 value. So our tabular column is xy 0 to 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and it is the values of y1 is 0.104676, and the y2 value is 0.14031, and y3 value is 0.104676. Hope you all understand, and thank you.